channel. So today I will make DIY hair rebonding cream. So let's start the video. So I am adding 1 cup milk. Milk hair को straight करने में help करता है. Milk improves hair growth and restore shine and luster in your hair. Now add half cup fuller's earth. So multani mitti has lots of benefits for your hair. Multani mitti is very effective for hair loss, hair growth and hair fall. And mix very well until combined. Now I am adding egg white. Egg white is also very effective for hair. Now mix very well. And now I am adding rice flour. So rice flour is very effective for hair straightening. राइस फ्लोर में जो स्टार्च होता है वो हेयर को स्ट्रेट रखने में हेल्प करता है. My DIY hair rebonding cream is ready. Now I will tell you about the procedure that how you can apply this cream on your hair. So first step is comb your hair and section your hair. And second step is you have to apply this cream all over your hair and leave for 1 hour. And you don't need to tie your hair. आप इस मास्क को लगाने के बाद आपको बालों को टाई नहीं करना, आपको इसको ऐसे ही खुला रहने देना है. Wash your hair with sulfate-free shampoo or any mild shampoo. Then dry your hair and don't tie and fold your hair. And you can iron your hair. So you can see final results, and you have to apply this DIY hair rebonding cream thrice a month. 3 बार यूज़ करने के बाद आपको इसका रिजल्ट मिलेगा. So if you like my video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.